Indian Institute of Technology, Tirupati, is located at the ancient town of Tirupati in Andhra Pradesh, a southern state in India known for its unique culture, especially handicrafts, dance, and music. The IIT Tirupati is one of the six youngest IITs which began their operations in 2015. These are commonly known as the third generation or 3G IITs. At present, there are 23 IITs. IIT Tirupati is one of the youngest and most modern of them all. Tirupati is surrounded by 7 hills, and our permanent campus, sprawling over 550 acres of land, is located in the picturesque backdrop along the Sheshachalam hills. It is about 20 kilometers away from Tirupati town and very well connected to the rest of the country by road, rail, and air. Collaborative research is one of the cornerstones of successful research undertakings. Being in the town of Tirupati offers our institute a geographical and strategic advantage. Our immediate neighboring institutes include the Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research, or ISER as they are called, the National Atmospheric Research Laboratory, NARL, and the Indian Institute of Information Technology, commonly known as IIIT at Sri City. Within a span of just 4 years, the first phase of our campus, called the Transit Campus, got fully operational. The Transit Campus is well equipped to house about 800 students, an industry-sized workshop, spaciously designed laboratories for various engineering disciplines, having state-of-the-art equipment.
IIT Tirupati, third generation IIT, started functioning in 2015 from a temporary campus on the Tirupati-Renugunda road. The state government of Andhra Pradesh has allotted a 548-acre site for construction of the main campus. The government of India has approved a DPR for creating a campus to accommodate 2,500 students, 250 faculty members, about 300 staff members, and the associated physical facilities including laboratories, administrative buildings, housing. The construction of the permanent campus commenced in 2016, and the first stage campus to accommodate about 800 students and setting up of laboratory buildings, classroom buildings was completed and inaugurated by our Honorable HRD Minister Sri Ramesh Pokhriyal ji in 2019. The next stage construction is in progress, and all the construction is expected to be completed by 2024.
The classrooms are equipped with high-tech projection and recording equipment for live streaming used as and when required. The rapid development of the infrastructure laid out at our transit campus stands out as an exceptional record of growth of a young technology institute. Students and also faculty and staff at our institute come from diverse cultural background. Among all the IITs, we have the highest percentage of female students enrollment in the BTech program every year. About 100 faculty members who teach at our institute are extremely qualified. They bring in rich experience and expertise from some of the best institutions and universities the world over.
We currently have over 90 faculty members in the institute and have been expanding our academic programs. On the research front, we have made rapid progress. We have over 120 PhD students enrolled already, and our faculty members have received over 60 sponsored research grants.
Young and dynamic faculty members at IIT Tirupati have already published research papers in more than 250 journals in the last 2 years and have published also a few full-fledged books. IIT Tirupati's collaborations with several prominent organizations are leading increasingly to sustainable development and engagements in national programs like Skill India and Make in India. Renowned organizations such as CMTI, DRDO, ARCI, NRB, Texas A&M University, University of Western Ontario, NHAI, National Grid, and so on.
We have identified a few trust areas which have high societal impact and are also at the cutting edge of research. These include smart infrastructure and cyber physical systems, food processing and precision agriculture, energy, manufacturing and materials, atomic, molecular and optical technologies.
At our institute, classroom and laboratory teaching is sturdily augmented by students' visits to industry workshops, construction sites, etc. for on-site training in order to speed them up into current practices in engineering and technology. Also, we have conducted a good number of conferences, seminars, workshops, and have hosted several colloquia and invited talks by distinguished scholars on a wide variety of topics. In order to promote an overall growth of our students to develop a sound mind and healthy physique, we have set up facilities supervised by professionals for a number of co-curricular activities. These include several fun events which make campus life exciting and memorable. Celebrations held jointly by students, staff and faculty during the Institute Day, Republic Day, Independence Day, Yoga Day, etc. are marked with excellent display of talent and creativity by our students. Electrifying performances by some of India's most gifted artists, musicians, classical dancers who excel in performing arts are often held in the institute. Some of these are held under the auspices of the SPICMACAE. Our technocultural annual festival, Tirutsava, provides a vibrant and challenging platform to our students to build their organizational skills, co-curricular talents, and also art forms and creativity in various dimensions. Tirutsava entwines technology and culture, and the festival sees a medley of events ranging from verticals in cultural arts to those in engineering and technology. In addition, our students participate in inter-IIT sports and inter-IIT technical meets. Our social welfare and outreach efforts include students rendering services under the National Service Scheme, commonly referred to as NSS. Reaching out to rural population is a central activity under the NSS program of our institute. We have adopted 5 villages to improve their quality of life. Daily engagements of our students are never restricted to mere curriculum activities. As the world is caught unprepared by the present pandemic, the faculty of our institute swiftly rose to the challenge. We developed face masks, shields, sterilizing units, and also software prediction models. The N95 face mask and shield developed by our faculty is already being used by frontline operators. The prototype is being technology transferred to Amar Raja Batteries Limited and FIPSOL, a startup industry from the IIT Madras Research Park. The first convocation of our institute was held on 13th August last year.
It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to the first convocation of the Indian Institute of Technology, Tirupati. It is our privilege to have Sri Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank ji, our Honorable Minister for Human Resource Development, to address our graduating students today.
106 students received their BTech degree and 1 student received the MS degree. The convocation address was delivered by Sri Ramesh Pokhriyal ji, Honorable Minister for Human Resource Development.
मैं क्योंकि आप ही के परिवार का हूँ इसलिए मैं आपको शुभकामना देने के लिए आया हूँ। बद्रीनाथ से आया हूँ और तिरुपति बाला तक आया हूँ और इसलिए गंगा की और बद्रीनाथ की भी शुभकामनाएं आपको देने के लिए आया हूँ। हमारे प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने पीछे के दिनों में कहा था कि हमारे जो आईआईटी हैं वो हमारी शक्ति के पुंज हैं। इस जो पहला दीक्षांत समारोह हो रहा है ये आज एक नया इतिहास यहाँ पर गढ़ा जा रहा है। मैं बहुत सारी शुभकामना देना चाहता हूँ। छात्रों, आप अपनी भविष्य भी हैं, अपने परिवार का भी हैं, मेरे देश का भी हैं और देश का नहीं पूरे विश्व का भी हैं, क्योंकि विश्व को भी दिशा देने का काम वो भारत ने किया था।
My name is Nakshatra Gupta. I am in second year and I am in CS. I am from Rajasthan. Academic experience is very good, so we don't have any problem with that. And our classes also are shifted to this campus only now, so it's good.
Academics is good over here. Like teachers are giving their 100% right now over here. Like there are less number of faculties, but they have taken a lot of responsibility and they are doing well. Like they are giving it the best, and we are also giving the best.
Eco-concern is a matter of priority at our institute. IIT Tirupati has received the prestigious Griha Council Exemplary Performance Award. Also, it won the first prize in Hudco Design Awards for Sustainable Technologies.
Buildings are very well organized compared to how a student wants it to be.
It's like latest things are used over here. Like remote control fans, we usually don't have these types of facilities. So it's good. Like, and they have even provided us like a lamp in a study table also. So we don't need to buy anything. This is the first one who is going to have a temporary campus, and like our director is doing a great job over here.
We have been here for 3 years, and our director has done a tremendous achievement to build these hostels at such a small time. It's very eco-friendly, and some GFRG construction is there also, and solar panels also are there, so water heating is also continuously going, and so much new innovations are in this.
Fast-track, sustainable, eco-friendly construction technologies have been adopted to build our campus. These include use of prefabricated GFRG panels, that is, panels made from glass fiber reinforced gypsum for hostels and apartment buildings, pre-engineered building structures for laboratories, dining facility and indoor stadium, and polished concrete floorings in the laboratories. Energy efficient technologies used include rooftop grid interactive 210 kilowatts solar power plant, 48 volts DC fittings in the hostels, solar water heaters, and high volume, low speed, that is HVLS fans. These installations cause minimal damage to the environment and achieve higher sustainability.
We have done a master plan for setting up a campus to cater to 12,000 students, which we plan to get to in a few decades.
The first generation IITs have been around for over 6 decades. Their learning is available to us. Building a new IIT from ground up, supported by a dynamic faculty who have acquired excellence in frontier areas of science and technology, has given us an inimitable opportunity to rapidly surge into modernity as a premier institute. Our students, staff, and faculty have ardently teamed up to dedicate ourselves to push the edges of knowledge, techniques, and methods and realize MHRD's vision in the service of the nation.